and it's to the client. And if you could see, Jolita is taller than me. Now, y'all know I'm just a little, Jolita, don't laugh so hard. I felt you laughing. Y'all, why y'all laughing? Because I'm short. Okay, y'all, in the YouTube world, podcast world, social media, I'm only 5'2". Oh, now everybody want to be serious. They laughing on the inside. I'm 5'2", y'all, and I have on some UFUs, which about, what is that, about 3 inches thick? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's about 3 inches thick, so it makes me a little taller. Straight from the chair. Stylist, where does your $1 million lie in the salon? Right here, baby. Right here at the shampoo bowl. This is Crystal Gresham Giles coming straight from the chair, and I'm going to tell you how to make $1 million at the shampoo bowl. I know y'all looking at me like, oh, here we go again. How you make $1 million? Everybody want to make $1 million. No, when I say $1 million, this is the comfort zone. This is where people feel their best in the salon. Wouldn't you agree, Jolita?
I do, yeah.
This is the most important part of getting to the nitty gritty of the whole hairstyle. So when a lot of these people started coming out talking about you have to come shampoo ready, I just don't get it. And ultimately, they show me they really haven't been to school. Because when you go to any school, cosmetology school, you're gonna be taught how to shampoo, and that this is the most important part of the whole hairstyle. Now, whether it's to the client or not, some of them will get on here and say, I don't care how it's shampooed. Listen, if I want healthy hair, this is where we're starting at. So don't come, you can't even book an appointment with me and ask, well, I'm already be shampooed, can you just press it? No, I cannot. I don't do dirty hair. One lady said, what do you mean? I just shampooed it. You walked outside, so now it's dirty. I don't know what you use, so it's dirty. We go back to my other episode, y'all. Do I have rules? Of course. I wouldn't be the professional stylist if I didn't have rules. You like my rules?
I love them.
Jolita, tell them why you like my rules.
It gives you structure. We know exactly, what's acceptable, and your foundation is healthy hair. So I know that you're not having us do anything that is going to be a detriment to the hair.
Right. So it's like when you go to a doctor and you have something and you want them to be the specific person that works on that. That's what they concentrate on. You have your plastic surgeon, you have your ear doctor, you have your cancer doctor, you have your kidney doctors, all those doctors. I specialize in healthy hair, y'all. That's my thing. Whether it's relaxed or natural, or as myself, dual, natural, relaxed. I specialize in that. Whether it's colored, whether you coming out of extensions, you coming out of braids, I'm the one you come to before and after the braids and extensions. That's it, okay? So with shampooing, the first thing when you bring a person to the shampoo bowl is what you should be doing all the time anyway, is coming to a clean shampoo bowl. Nobody wants to sit and see black around the ring of the neck or dirt build up. There's one reason I like white shampoo bowls, y'all. It shows everything. And as a salon owner, I can tell when my staff do not clean my shampoo bowls right away. I can see hair. So we can see it a lot easier than trying to detect to see who's cleaning and who's not, especially with men hair, because y'all know I have barbers in here. I can tell those little fibers, or when it's long hair and it's somebody from back here in the back. Just clean the shampoo bowl. Make sure that the presentation of the shampoo bowl is ready for the clients, okay? And when you put your client in the shampoo bowl, I strategically bought this particular shampoo bowl because I worked at a salon that had the movable shampoo bowls. So this is called the European shampoo bowls. So you'll see, sit up a little bit, Jolita. This shampoo bowl moves up and down, and it's to the client. And if you could see, Jolita is taller than me. Now, y'all know I'm just a little, Jolita, don't laugh so hard. I felt you laughing hard at, y'all, why y'all laughing? Because I'm short. Okay, y'all, if y'all don't know, in the YouTube world, podcast world, social media, I'm only 5'2". Oh, now everybody want to be serious. They laughing on the inside. I'm 5'2", y'all, and I have on some UFUs, which about, what is that, about 3 inches thick? Yeah, it's about 3 inches thick, so it makes me a little taller. But I'm actually, okay, y'all want to see it? Okay, let me just go. I'm like really short, okay? So don't come, when y'all come and y'all finally make it to the salon, don't joke me because I'm short, okay? But anyway, anywho, this salon bowl will support me, a 5'2", and Jolita, how tall are you?
5'11".
5'11". See, now watch what she does. She's going to, Jolita, I want you to put both hands on each side of the shampoo bowl and adjust the shampoo bowl to your neck. You saw how that is? Is that comfortable for you?
Mm-hmm, it is.
And she did that herself. That's what I love about these shampoo bowls. Now, if you do not have these shampoo bowls, then you have to make sure that your client is adjusted to the standard shampoo bowls, the ones that don't move. Maybe get better chairs that move away so the client can relax or pull close to it. I've had those shampoo bowls too, and I purchased chairs where they were movable and that back goes up and down. So, making $1 million right here at the shampoo bowl starts with comfort. Cleanliness first, and then comfort, okay? Now, you wanna make sure that while shampooing the client's hair, you are really cleansing the scalp and cleansing the hair at the same time. Let's not just focus on one or the other. Let's make sure that the client is comfortable, the water temperature is great. Now y'all know it's taking a minute because this water has been off since Saturday. No. The barbershop is open, but they may not use the shampoo bowls as often, so it's taking a little time. So be patient with the water. But make sure you test the water that is not too cold and not too hot for the client. And always ask the clients, how does it feel? Like, communicate with your client while you're at the shampoo bowl. Don't be afraid to ask them. Don't be afraid to talk. This is when character comes into play, okay? And as I'm testing it, it's warming up, and I'm gonna start applying from the bottom, the shampoo all the way up. How's that temperature?
It's okay.
Okay, great. Now, when shampooing, you wanna make sure you get behind the ear and under the neck, this part right here. Now, this is a catch-22 conversation when you go up under this neckline. You got your clients that's gonna hold their head back so stiff that you barely can get it. All you have to simply say to them as you go under, relax your neck. And I promise you, 9 times out of 10, they'll lift it up and let you got it. Now the ones that wanna sit all the way up when I get ready to do this, you politely tell them, I have it. Let me control your head, lay back into my hands. That's all. Now, if you got some good clients and you used to them and they used to you, when they sit up, you just yank their head back down. I'm just teasing, don't do that. But be mindful. Let the client know you have control. You definitely have control of the shampoo bowl, at the shampoo bowl, totally. Now, y'all came for me with the shampoo and how much I use, because my mama hair was real short and they was like, she ain't got no hair, so you ain't have to use a lot of product. I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna use 2 pumps on her, 1, 2. You see that? And y'all always talking about y'all want to see a whole lot of suds. Suds just don't mean it's clean, y'all. I mean, I understand that y'all think that the suds mean it's clean, but it doesn't always mean it's clean. When the suds are getting to the dirt and it's removing the dirt, you won't see suds after a while. But that don't mean I have to keep adding product. To me, that's just wasting product. And for me, my return on investment is huge. I like to see what I'm putting out and what I'm getting back. So if you can see her hair, there's still suds. You see suds, but we want to make sure the hair is clean. I'm not looking for a whole sink full of suds and a whole mountain full. What I will do is, if I don't feel like it's clean this first time, I'll go back and shampoo a second time, just with the clarifying, okay? And that's what I'm doing now. I'm shampooing to remove buildup off of her hair. This is clarifying shampoo, and that's what we're doing, clarifying the hair. We're cleansing the hair, but we're not stripping the hair, remember. What product are we using?
Clarifying shampoo.
Yes. It's the Chosen Symmetry Clarifying Shampoo. You see? This is your first shampoo that you use with all the systems that we have for sale for retail, okay? Now, y'all saw me go through and I'm shampooing the hair as well as the scalp. Yeah, I think this is where I wanted to know. So I'm just gonna start asking her, how does it feel? So should I start with the next episode? But I'm gonna have to jump back into finishing. I guess that was one of the things I didn't think about.
Right. So you asking her how does it feel? Oh, because you're
doing the therapy.
No, let's keep it in this one.
Then when I do the conditioner.
Yeah.
Okay. I could do that.
That way it's still very heavy.
Gotcha. All right, as you see, there's almost no suds left in her head because this lets me know that the shampoo has removed a lot of the buildup. And I'm putting it all over her hair. So I'm gonna do a quick rinse. And I like my rinse as warm as they can stand it. How is that temperature?
It's good.
Good. Could it be hotter?
It could, yeah.
Okay. And as you see, I'm rinsing. If you can see the shampoo bowl over in here, Kai, come look in here. I want them to see how clear this water is off the first clarifying shampoo. Do you see when this bowl, that's what I like, white bowls. You see how clear it is? It's letting me know that her hair is cleansed. And what we're gonna hear, the squeak. I didn't have to use a whole bunch of shampoo. I didn't have to see a lot of suds. What I did see was the shampoo working, and now I feel the squeak in her head to let me know the hair is clean. So no, I don't have to go back in with another clarifying shampoo because I didn't see suds. So now it's ready to receive the next shampoo, which is whether we're gonna do protein or moisturizer. I'm gonna do a little mix of protein today because I said her relaxer is coming up. And so we're just gonna help extend that relaxer with a little protein shampoo. And that's the 345. And in here is the CMOS, what is it, 345, here it is. Chosen 345. That's what we're using, 2 pumps, you see? Just a little. A little goes a long way when you're dealing with great products. Okay? Oh, you see suds. Oh, but she's bald-headed, remember? Oh, yeah, y'all was going in on my mama. I told my mama about y'all, too. Y'all was talking bad about her. But no, I understood what you all were saying. And you were right, you know, because I did show it on a short-haired model, and so you couldn't really see the difference. But if you can see, this is shampoo number 2. You see how much suds is in here? This is cleansing the hair. Once again, you don't have to use a whole bunch of product. So when you purchase my products, understand you don't have to use a lot. So don't take your hand and take the bottle and and fill your whole hand up. You don't have to do that. You're wasting product. I know. I understand what y'all saying. We didn't know. I know, that's why I'm here to tell you. It's okay. It's okay. How's that shampoo feeling, Jolita?
Amazing, absolutely amazing.
Yes. And so you want to make sure that your client feels relaxed and you're also cleansing at the same time. Okay? Make sure you get her hairline, but don't be too rough because the hairline is the weakest too. And get behind the ears. I have this thing, y'all. I always take a little shampoo and I just go behind their ears. Why? Because women, we tuck a lot behind our ears, and I just like all that cleanse. And with men, a lot of them just forget to do that part. So I'm gonna make sure that we handle that for them, okay? So when you think about where to start your $1 million movement, where your $1 million begins, it begins right here at the shampoo bowl. So remember to always make this an experience for the client, and it will give you everything that you need from it, including the $1 million. This is Crystal Gresham Giles coming straight from the chair, making a movement right here. Straight from the chair.